Data privacy, sometimes also referred to as information privacy, is an area of data protection that concerns the proper handling of sensitive data, including notable personal data, but also other confidential data such as certain financial data and intellectual property data. To meet regulatory requirements as well as protecting the confidentiality and immutability of the data, the company Data Massive Data Brands on April 2021 was one of the largest leaking names, phone numbers, accounts, name, and password of over 530 million people to the public. Facebook identified the problem in the platform's tool to sync contact, citing hackers exploring involuntary to escape user profiles for customers' data. Through Facebook claim that no data has been compromised or missed, it's impossible to verify since the information was public for a short period. Hackers or scammers can easily take advantage of unsuspecting users within just their names, phones, numbers, and emails. Since 2013, Facebook has been faced multiple major data breaches including data leaks. In March 2019, information leaked the Facebook employees has been access to over 600 million users' accounts. Accounts ID and passwords for both Facebook and Instagram were stored in plain text file. All through Facebook claims no sensitive information was exposed. It was one more incident among many security issues. Furthermore, in April 2019, the cyber risk team of UpGuard discovered 540 million unsecured Facebook users' data records or public Amazon S3 cloud servers, third-party app developer, and Mexican media company Culture Collective failed to password protect their entire dataset, leaving information open for everyone to access and download. Although Facebook was not directly responsible for this incident, its broad security to tie to how the social network managed third-party access to its database. Following a long history of data leaks, Facebook finally increased restrictions on third-party developers. Just a few months later, more exposed records were found on foreign servers on the dark web. Further investigation found that a hacker group in Vietnam may have abused Facebook API can escape the site of the IDs, name, and phones number. Over 300 million users were affected. Facebook in 2018, a British consolidating firm, Cambridge Analytica, stole data from 50 to 90 million users' accounts on Facebook in one of the most high-profile cases in recent memory. Analytica security researchers Alexander Kogan accessed this data to a loophole from a third-party quiz app. This loophole in Facebook API application programming interface allowed Kogan to compile data from another who downloaded the app in their entire friend network. Despite going against the terms and conditions of Facebook, Cambridge Analytica continued to sell the data illegally because there was no real enforcement. Reports show that Facebook was aware of the issue as early as 2015 but did not take action until Christopher Weil, a Cambridge Analytica employee, blew the whale's site. Things finally came to a head when the Federal Trade Commission (FTC) announced a historic 50 billion fine for Facebook continuous violation of data security and poor data protection practices.